How to uninstall or reinstall Adobe Lightroom. First of all, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to Apps or App Management. From the list of installed apps, find and tap on Adobe Lightroom. On the App Info page, tap on Install and confirm the action. This will remove the app from your device but will not delete photos that are synced with your Adobe account. After uninstalling, open the Play Store, tap the Search button in the bottom right corner, then tap the search bar at the top and type Adobe Lightroom. From the results, select Adobe Lightroom Photo Editor and tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with your Adobe account or auto login options. Reinstalling ensures you have the latest version with all updates and bug fixes. It also helps fix issues like crashes, slow performance, or errors that couldn't be resolved otherwise. Once signed in, all your synced photos and edits will be available again. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips.